areas. I would say the first one, a bit of a personal bias since that's my background, is still the robotics area. In robotics, I think particularly things that we would look for are having clinical impact as well as having impact on OR or otherwise like healthcare efficiencies. So a lot of times within robotics, we see technologies looking for a home, looking for the right clinical application, and a lot of times it's difficult to really find a match where you can really impact clinical outcomes or efficiencies in a meaningful way. And so I think really thinking about that and looking for companies up front that have that clinical efficiency or clinical outcome match are really important within the robotics area. Another one is AI. And so I think within AI, some things that we'd look for or I'd be excited about are AI products where there's a proprietary source of data, whether that's a particular business development arrangement with a hospital to acquire a really high quality data set, or whether it's a physical piece of hardware that generates that data that the company has proprietary access to. I think that's one of the big things as AI continues to expand as to where is the data coming from? Is it a high quality source, and do you have proprietary access to that source? And then I think other areas of interest in MedTech are fast follower plays. So a lot of times the questions that are top of mind in MedTech are things like reimbursement, like is it going to be a long process going through CMS over the course of many years, or can we actually leverage a reimbursement from another product that has already paved the way in terms of market adoption? And so a lot of times those fast follower plays where they have value props over kind of the first-in-class device that's already paved the market. So whether it's some added feature sets or whether it's a little bit more compact or it's easier from a surgical perspective, a lot of times those fast follower plays have been quite successful, and we definitely look for companies that fit into that paradigm.